Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and pick 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what kind of stuff it will reset. So the disabled apps, app notifications, default apps, and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.